Hello and welcome. My name is Rose and this is my first video of my culinary journey around the world. Today we will be traveling to Sweden to make a popular Swedish dessert called Kladdkaka. Kladdkaka comes from the Swedish word kladdig, which means sticky and messy, which is exactly what this dessert is. It has a beautiful crisp exterior with a soft and gooey interior. What makes this chocolate cake extraordinary is the fact that it does not have baking powder. Although the origin is unknown, there are theories that Kladdkaka originated during World War II when baking powder was scarce in Sweden. As you can imagine, this sticky chocolate cake was quite a hit, and since 2008, Kladdkaka has had its own day on November 7th. Today this cake is eaten around the world, often with whipped cream, vanilla ice cream, or raspberries. So now that you know a bit about Kladdkaka, let's make it. Start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees. Now go ahead and grab your 9-inch cake pan, butter, and paper towel. First, put some butter on your paper towel and coat the pan so we can prevent any sticking that might happen. To further prevent sticking, I will be adding some parchment to the bottom of my pan. Now, in a medium bowl, add 1 1/3 cups of sugar and 2 eggs. Now whisk the sugar and eggs together until your mixture is a pale yellow color. Next, add a 1/2 cup of flour, a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, and a pinch of salt. Fold these ingredients until they are mostly combined. Now add a 1/2 cup of melted butter and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Once again, fold these ingredients in until fully combined and no lumps remain. Once your batter is smooth, pour it into your greased cake pan and distribute evenly throughout. Bake the Kladdkaka in your preheated oven for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, take your Kladdkaka out of the oven. It should have a nice, crisp top with a soft and gooey center. Finally, sprinkle with powdered sugar and add some berries if desired. And there you have it, Kladdkaka from Sweden. That's all for today, and thank you so much for watching. I will link the recipe below for anyone who's interested. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.